What's up, man? It's your boy MoonDog38732 from the MoonDog38732 Show on YouTube. If this is your first time watching the show, I use this show to tell stories of how they affect me, maybe the person I am today, how situations, experiences, and people help me to mold me into who I am today. All right. Please watch the show, like the show, comment on the show, subscribe to the show, and share the show. At the same time, if you don't like what I'm doing, keep moving. Much luck to you. All right, so on this particular show, we're going to talk about some of the things that I had and didn't appreciate, right? Because with me, when I was younger, because I was given a lot of things early and often, I didn't really appreciate it, especially toys. Like, this toy, I need some more toys, like, they just ask for it or not. I might get surprised in toys, you know what I'm saying? So they didn't really have that much effect on me, so to speak. So in this particular time, right, I had like the Transform, I had Mega Supreme, Optimus Prime, Soundwave, He-Man, I had like the Castle Grayskull, man, had all, you know what I'm saying? I had like a lot of toys, right? But I got tired of those toys. I'm like, I kind of outgrew them, right? In my mind, I outgrew them. So on this particular occasion, we had some BB guns. I think my brother had like 2 BB guns, man. And so we was like, man, we got some BB guns. It was dark outside. We was like, man, we finna go shoot some, right? Since it was dark outside, there was no birds and things like that flying. So we was like, man, what could we get for target practice, right? But we was in the house. This was indoor target practice. So we were like, but at the same time, we lived in a trailer. And you live in a trailer, the walls aren't really thick. The walls of a trailer at this time were really, really thin. So we were like, let's set the He-Man up, right? Because He-Man, he'll chomp anyway, right? He never defeat Skeletor. So we set the He-Man up, right? And finna use him in target practice, but he was in the house. And like the wall, it was like the wall was here, and right above the wall was like some windows. We had to roll the windows out, right? And then roll them back in for they can come in and out. But these right here, the He-Man, we'll use those, right? So we were like, man, if we shoot it, it's gonna go into the wall, put a hole in the wall, right? So what can we do to put behind the He-Man to buffer the shots, right? Now, remember I told y'all on previous episode, you paid attention. My mom used to throw a lot of parties and things like that, right? So she threw parties, had a record collection. Remember she had the, not component set, but she had a stereo system, right? And on the stereo system, my brother had his tapes and cassettes, but on the other side, she had her like list of, not list, but she had a bunch of records. Anything like Frankie Belly Mays, Shaka Khan, Michael Jackson, like all the classics, man. I'm talking about like, man, albums, right? So we were like, man, what can we use? We looking around like, man. Which in hindsight, we should have got some pants, folded them up and put it behind there. But we got the records. We got the records, man. And put the records behind the toys. And so we got the BBs, man, the BB gun. Pop, 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 pop. We in the house shooting the BB gun at the toys and the records. Now we hitting the toys, we putting holes all in the He-Man. We was like, we fight, we lighting them up. All right? Because we wasn't really thinking. You know, with a BB gun, the more time you cock it, supposedly the more powerful it get, right? And the projectile, aka the BB, it goes a little bit faster and harder. So we just like, pop, 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 pop. But we didn't stop till we used all the BBs up, right? All right, cool. Look at the He-Man, and I see the He-Man and the He-Man chest shot all up. I'm like, yeah, okay, we did what we do. So when we got the He-Man, we also looked at the records. The records had holes in them. The BBs, because we cocked the gun so much, the BBs went through the He-Man and went into the records. Now, all of they went into the records and through the records, some of them also stuck into the wall of our trailer. At this point, the thinking process started going into self-preservation, right? We got the records, man, and put the records right back into the same slots they was in. Didn't even think anything about it. Got the BBs, took the BBs out the wall, right? Got the curtains, closed the curtains so you can't see the holes in the wall. One day my mom come home, one night she came home, ready to play some Frankie Beverly Maze. She picked it up and she see a bunch of holes in her record cover. She called me and my brother, what happened? And she opened up the record, the cover, right? Where the record actually goes, and it was nothing but pieces in it. She got 1 album, 2 albums, 3 albums, 4 albums, 5 albums. And she looked at us like, her hair, like you could see her hair like start standing up, like, and she was about to go Super Saiyan. She finna be the first one. And so she went off to another level of going off. I know if she would have hit us at that point, as mad as she was, we probably been in the hospital. We probably would have ended up calling that 1-800 number to protect the kids. You know what I'm saying? If you have any kid that's in trouble, please call this number. I was gonna call that number. It's not my fault. I got left at home with my brother, man. Hey, man, what you do, you leave kids at home with great imagination, man, and all that energy. They come up with stuff to do, right? And so we was like, hot, man. She got the guns, man. She took the guns from us. She told me I ain't get no more toys, you know what I'm saying? And it really made me think about something. One, why did I follow what my brother did? Knowing he was shiesty. Two, man, I could have just, if I didn't really want the toys, man, I could have gave the toys to somebody else. You see what I'm saying? I didn't really outgrow them. I thought I outgrew them because with that shooting up the house, really, and shooting up my records, showed me that I really wasn't as mature and as thoughtful as I thought I was. It really happened, man. My mom, she might have learned a lesson that day too about leaving your kids at home with BB guns, man. So with that being said, man, it really happened, man. It's just some of the stuff that has happened in my life. These episodes will be loaded up soon, man. I'll holler at y'all cat later, man. The end.